perfect day for making chicken breasts. I have a wonderful recipe here. It's called foiled chicken breasts, and they're made with rosemary. And it's just very, very simple to prepare. It's just a matter of putting chicken breasts in foil, popping them in the toaster oven. You'll need some spices to go with it, and the ingredients are very, very plain. So before I start, I'm going to preheat my toaster oven to 400 degrees, and then I'll assemble the ingredients to show you what you will need. It seems like I forgot to get chicken breasts, so I think I'm going to have to substitute with something else. So instead of chicken breasts, I'm going to substitute with 2 pieces of whole wheat bread. Now, this recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of dry white wine, and I've looked all over, but I can't find my wine. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I have ketchup, but I don't have mustard. And then 2 tablespoons of non-fat plain yogurt, which I forgot to pick up at the store. So I think for that combination of ingredients, couldn't find much else around, so I think I'm just going to substitute for, I did have some peanut butter. So I'm going to spread the peanut butter on these 2 slices. And I did find a nice half a banana. So I think what I'll do is slice the banana up. And it's just perfectly ripe right now. And I'm going to place these slices on the peanut butter and the bread. Now I'll just put this slice of peanut butter bread, put those 2 together, and slice it in half. Just about ready to serve. Well, so that really didn't take very long at all, did it? And there was actually no broiling needed with the substitute. So for the chicken breasts, I would normally pair chicken breasts with a really nice Chilean Merlot that I'm fond of. In this case, I forgot to pick up the wine, but I do have some nice 2% milk that might go well with this. Well, that's not a bad pairing at all. Milk works good because it kind of loosens up the peanut butter.